Hey, what's up out there YouTube? Double D here with Tournage du Bois. Welcome back. Today's going to be a really quick video. We've had rain pretty much solid throughout the week. We've had a few little breaks, but nothing major. The downside is getting in and out of here has been treacherous, to say the least, just because of the amount of moisture in the ground. That being said, we have got some progress done, so we're looking forward to hopefully getting things more finished up next week so I can be back in the shop. Started to do prep on the floor work. Rust-Oleum, which is the product I'm going to use on the floor itself to do the finish. They have a patch repair kit that I use to fill the expansion joints. The downside is it needed to be below a certain humidity, and therefore it ended up taking longer to cure, which pushed the floors back. But we got it finished out. That's all down. Brought in a sander, got the floor sanded down. It's all nice and smooth, so ready for the paint when we're ready to go. Like I said, that got pushed back because I wasn't going to put the floor down and hope that it had finished curing in time for our electric to be ran. So we got, and I'm going to flip the camera around here, we got the electrician, Jimmy, our buddy, showed up. We got 3 outlets on this wall on this side, 2 on the other side in the room with the lawnmower. We got the air filtration unit hooked up with the outlet as well. Coming over this way, we have this switch, which is going to be hooked up for the dust collection system alone. We just have to run the power hook up from that cable over here to the box. We also got these 3 outlets installed. We have another outlet or 2 to put on that wall, depending what we're going to do. Probably do 2, so I have a spot over the window for spotlights on the lathe. And we have our lathe plug-in and then 1 other outside plug-in we're going to run there. And that should wrap up the electrical. I did run this Cat 5 out from the house. Brought it in here, hooked it up to a wireless router here, and somewhere in the middle of that line, it's broken. So I'm not getting connection out here, so I got to rerun that wire. So that'll be on the project list to do. Once we get the electrical in, the last thing I need to do is run dust collection duct work. It's ready to come up through the ceiling in the lawnmower. All of that's hooked up, ready to come up with duct work and then branch off to the tools. Then we get the flooring done. And then once the flooring's done, we can get tools moved in. So looking forward to that, looking forward to that process. I will probably be doing time lapse of the dust collection as well as moving the tools in for another short video once we're at that point. Probably try and incorporate the floor as well, although painting a floor is, well, it's painting a floor. So at any rate, that's what I got this week. Sorry it's not more. I was really hoping to get back into the shop, but the rain and weather and things have just put a damper on the return of that. That being said, the YouTube cross-channel challenge piece for this month I will not be able to complete, but I will be doing that next month, early on in the workshop process. So we will continue doing that, but I will do that. The other thing, just to remind you, Brad's Workbench is still giving away that abrasive paste and tongue wax. I'll put a link to my video up here that you can go watch, respond in the comments appropriately, and be entered into that drawing. Kim Tippin, David Anderson, Brad's Wood Turning, and Duke of Heritage are all, their channels are doing the same thing. They're doing that tongue wax giveaway. So make sure and go watch their stuff. I'll put links to their information down below. Just go make sure, watch their videos, respond appropriately as they're asking you to do in there as well. And good luck on that, and we'll catch you next week.